The 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander is shaking up the SUV market with exciting updates that combine affordability, advanced features, and bold new design choices. If you're considering a reliable, family-friendly SUV, this year's model might just be the perfect match for your needs. Toyota has stepped up its game, offering more value without compromising on quality or performance. One of the standout features of the 2025 Grand Highlander is the introduction of the LE trim, which now makes this SUV more accessible than ever. With a starting price of $42,310, the LE trim is $2,460 cheaper than last year's base model, the XLE. For hybrid enthusiasts, the LE Hybrid starts at $45,660, offering a savings of $870 compared to the 2024 model. This means more buyers can enjoy Toyota's trusted reliability and quality without stretching their budget. The LE trim comes with Toyota's proven 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and is available in both front and all-wheel drive. If fuel efficiency is a priority, the LE Hybrid uses a non-max hybrid system that delivers great gas mileage while maintaining a smooth, capable performance. It's a win-win for those seeking both economy and reliability. Adding to the excitement, the Grand Highlander now features a nightshade trim for the first time, priced at $54,060. This trim brings a sportier, edgier look to the lineup with striking blacked-out accents on the door handles, grille, badges, mirror caps, and wheels. Built on the Hybrid Limited model, the Nightshade trim pairs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors, delivering a total of 245 horsepower with standard all-wheel drive. For those who crave power, Toyota continues to offer Hybrid Max options in the Limited and Platinum trims. These models are equipped with a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 362 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. The Hybrid Max Limited starts at $56,140, while the Platinum begins at $60,225, catering to drivers who want performance and luxury in one package. With the LE and other trims rolling out in early 2025 and Platinum models arriving just before the new year, Toyota has ensured there's something for everyone. Whether you prioritize affordability, style, or power, the 2025 Grand Highlander is a compelling choice for families and SUV enthusiasts alike.